Good morning, children. Today I will continue the 11th B chapter again, part 2. That is National Movement Last Phase 1919 to 1947. We discussed it in earlier phase, what that is in earlier lesson. Arrival of Mahatma Gandhi and different types of movement, observation of Mahatma Gandhi in India, after Kheda movement, Champaran movement, and Ahmedabad mill workers movement. And I said Khilafat agitation, as well as one more agitation, that is agitation made by the Mahatma Gandhi. We discussed it in previous class. Now we are going to discuss about Jallianwala Bagh massacre as well as Rowlatt Act, that is already discussed, and now we are going to discuss about Khilafat agitation and non-cooperation movement in this lesson. So in this class we discuss now Khilafat agitation and non-cooperation movement. First of all, Khilafat agitation. Khilafat means Khalifa. Who is Khalifa? Khilafat means Khalifa. Khalifa means who is the Khalifa. Turkey Sultan name is called Khalifa. So why Khilafat agitation started worldwide in all countries by Muslims, and at the same time in India Khilafat agitation why started? What is the reason for starting of Khilafat agitation? Worldwide Khilafat agitation was started, but here we are talking Khilafat agitation means lot of things are suppressed on Turkey Empire or Turkey King. It is a bad treaty made by the Britain against Turkey. That's why the Turkey people suppressed by the principles and the treaty made by the British. So that is called Khalifa or Khilafat agitation. So worldwide Khalifa is a famous thing, a famous personality, and he advised to all the Muslims to support the Khilafat agitation and the Khalifa. For that, Indian Muslims also started Khilafat agitation. So Khilafat agitation, one side, another side, non-cooperation movement was started by the Mahatma Gandhi. So both the movements, both the Hindus and Muslims jointly started both the movements in India. This is one biggest turning point of Indian national movement. Now in Khilafat movement, the leaders are two leaders are there. Number one, Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali. Number one, Muhammad Ali. Number two, Shaukat Ali. The two are the important persons in Khilafat agitation. And Gandhiji supplied Khilafat agitation started by the Indian Muslim leaders. That is Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Two are the brothers which is started Khilafat movement. And Gandhiji and INC also supported the Khilafat movement. And in 1920, Gandhiji was started non-cooperation movement for Britishers to get Swaraj, to get independence. What that is? Non-cooperation movement is the number one movement, starting movement, and foundation movement for national movement that is started in 1920 by Mahatma Gandhi. The movement was continuously succeed in 1920 to 21 and 22. The movement was goes throughout the India, and Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das, Aruna Asaf Ali and C. Rajagopalachari, important leaders in non-cooperation movement. They are the followers of Mahatma Gandhi. So in this movement, the movement was succeed due to the followers, the young leaders at the time, that is C.R. Das, Aruna Asaf Ali and C. Rajagopalachari and Madan Mohan Malaviya. These are all members, very, very important members, prominent members and followers of Mahatma Gandhi for success of non-cooperation movement in India. Non-cooperation movement means, what is meant by non-cooperation movement? We should not cooperate the Britishers. It means if the Britishers will impose taxes on Indians, we should not pay the tax. It is called non-cooperation. If the Britishers ask any information about Indians, cities and towns and villages, then we should not say simply, I don't know anything. It means non-cooperation. We should not cooperate to the Britishers. That is called non-cooperation. Ultimately, the Britishers will move to their nation. That is called success, and we will get the independence. So, here Mahatma Gandhi said, both India means it is a nation of Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and all religion people. He said that, he spoke such type of ideas, and he said we get it independence shortly through non-cooperation movement, and the non-cooperation movement was succeeded in 1922. What the thing was happened from 1920, 21, and 1922, Gandhiji moved throughout India, and he gave a lot of messages to all the people in various areas, and finally he reached in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur district, in one village that is called Chauri Chaura village. He is moving, and he is moving in front of police station, having some followers. He crossed the police station at the time. All Indian, soldiers, like the followers of Mahatma Gandhi. They didn't listen the voice of Mahatma Gandhi, and the followers are directly went to police station and caught 21 police and one sub inspector and fired, and British government announced that is arrested Mahatma Gandhi and sent to the 6 years prison. Then non-cooperation movement was stopped. So otherwise we got independence as early as possible according to the advice of Mahatma Gandhi. But the non-cooperation movement was stopped in 1922 due to a incident was made. So later, AP in Andhra Pradesh, non-cooperation movement was famous in Guntur district. Why? Guntur district is the center of all type of national movements. So at the time, Chirala is a part of Guntur district. Chirala is a part of Guntur district, and here Chirala Perala movement was very famous in the history. Here Dugirala Gopala Krishnaya started Chirala Perala movement. Why? Because the Chirala, once upon a time it is a village, but it is changed into the municipality. Afterwards, the taxes also increased and imposed a lot of taxes on the settlers, those who are in Chirala. Afterwards, the follower of Mahatma Gandhi, Dugirala Gopala Krishnaya, started agitation to decrease the taxes. For that, they migrated Ramnagar area and settled there, and without paying of taxes. After that, they decreased the taxes. After a few months later, they decreased the taxes. Again, the Ramadandu members are come back to the Chirala city, and the taxes also decreased and they settled there. The problem was solved. And one more important thing is there, we are not discussed here, but that is Pollari Satyagraha. That is also very famous in Palnadu area. Pollari Satyagraha is a very famous Satyagraha in Palnadu area. This is the most important thing. Pollari means tax on grass. Tax on grass, that is imposed on cattle herders, those who are sent the cattle to the forest. So, students, I am asking some questions now. What that is? When Gandhiji was arrival in India, do you know? That is 1915. What are the first movements or national movements or agitations started by Mahatma Gandhi? Do you know that? That is Kheda movement, Champaran movement, and Ahmedabad Mill Workers Movement, and Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Do you know about Jallianwala Bagh Massacre? Why it's happened? Due to the Rowlatt Act. And who said Rowlatt Act is a devilish act? Do you know? Rowlatt Act is a devilish act said by Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Mahatma Gandhi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Mahatma Gandhi.